February 1st. Catch you guys up to what I am doing. I am, hi guys, browning some ground turkey. Ooh, that's steam. Seasoned with a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of Lawry's, or maybe a lot. And in the pot, let me get away from this ball. Let me turn this off. Steam. I have some corn, diced tomatoes, and some chili beans. Tortilla chips. I am making taco soup. This can be done in a crock pot if you choose. It just depends on your preference. Sorry about this thing. Hold on. Alright, so I added the meat. And this is on medium now. I started on medium high just to get it going, because it really doesn't take that long to cook down. Okay, another thing. It's really optional. Ranch dressing. You can use a seasoning packet if you have. I didn't have one. You could also use just the ranch salad dressing. And little old me, because ours is new and I didn't feel like opening it because it's still in the bag, because I just went to the grocery store and I haven't put all the groceries away. I didn't feel like finding it, so I had to improvise with ranch dip. Same thing, okay? So I just put a couple tablespoons of that in here, and it's just gonna give it a thickness so that when you dip it in the tortillas and of course eat it, it won't be thin and runny. You can garnish with cheese and sour cream and enjoy. But basically you just put everything together and heat it up, and it's done in a matter of 10-15 minutes really, because you're just heating it up once the meat is finished. You just want to cook it to get that flavor through it. But, I mean, simple as browning some turkey. You can also do it with ground beef. You can also do it without the meat. Whatever your preference. If you choose not to do it with tortilla chips, you can do it without the tortilla chips. You can do cornbread. You can do neither. But anyway, it goes. This is it. There we go. You could also do it with chili. If you don't have chili beans, you can use chili. So, I mean, guys, there's a lot of improvising. Pretty much use what you have. I know a lot of times you look in the cabinets in the pantry and you think there's a little bit of this, there's a little bit of that. You need to go to the grocery store. You don't know how you're going to pull a meal together. If you have beans, rice, you can pretty much pull a meal together. And you can serve this with rice if you choose. I'm choosing not to tonight because we just had rice last night. But keep beans, keep chili, because you can do a lot with beans and chili. It's a full meal in itself. In fact, my daughter in North Carolina was just talking about that last week during the snowstorm. Everything was all closed up, but she said at least I taught her to keep beans and rice And I think she had some eggs in her apartment. And she knew she wouldn't starve for however long that snow was there, and wouldn't allow them to come out of the house. So true. Very cheap meal, very filling. And this is one that the kids can make. Yeah, look at that. You just want to arrange your tortilla chips in a bowl and scoop your soup over the tortilla chips and enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy. Thumbs up if you like this video. Comment if you like this video, this recipe. Let me know if you've tried this dish before. Let me know if you try it. Come back and let me know if you are going to make it now that I've showed you. And as always, check me out on Instagram and Facebook. See you tomorrow.